What's up, you guys? Welcome back to SBE Aesthetics. It is your girl Champagne coming to you again with another video. If you're ready to start making money as a virtual esthetician, you came to the right place, because on this channel and in this video, that's what we're going to be talking about: being a solo virtual esthetician, how to make money, how to get clients, how to put yourself out there, how to get new clients, and so much more. If you're a person who's solo and you work at a physical location, either looking to transition into becoming a virtual esthetician, or are you looking to do both, part-time virtual esthetician and still keep your brick and mortar, you've come to the right channel and video. I'm here to show you simple and realistic steps to get started, and so that this can actually make sense and work for you. Oh, by the way, if you're loving these glasses, I got these glasses from Firmoo. I really love them. It makes me feel like I'm just important. I'm doing my thing. So I really love them. I will leave the link down below for these glasses. And yeah, we're going to continue on. First thing first, you want to find your niche. You want to ask yourself, what are you really passionate about? What is it that you really want to do? Who is it that you really want to serve? Finding your niche is going to really help you deliver the content that you need to deliver. Finding your niche is going to help you want to help the person, because you're passionate about what you're talking about. So this is really key. Maybe your niche is teen skincare or anti-aging for mature skin. It can look different for many people, but you want to find your niche and you want to stand out in that niche. You want to be known for it. You want to attract clients who needs what you're offering. So that is key. What I want you to do today, right now, if you don't already, get a piece of paper, okay? Take 5 minutes to do this, okay? Take 5 minutes, and I want you to list out everything you're good at. List out everything you're best at. And then when you do that, I want you to circle 3 things, 3 choices. So circle the top 3 that you're good at. List out all things you're good at, but circle the top 3 you're good at, okay? And that's your starting point. That's what you're going to start with. If you're a person who's struggling, you want to do that. Just list out everything you're great at. Out of that list, choose 3 things, and then start there for finding your niche. Next, you want to set up your online space. This is going to be a place where your present, future, past clients can come find you. Think of it like your virtual salon, okay? Your virtual spa salon. This is a place where you could be found. This is a place where your content can be found. So you want to do that and set that up. Start small, a simple website, or even Instagram or Facebook. So for me, I'm on Facebook. I'm on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, kind of TikTok. But for me right now, my biggest focus point on getting virtual clients in is Facebook. So you want to pick a platform or a website that you're working with to be able to have like a virtual spa salon for your people to come find you and your content and your services that you're offering. And me personally, I personally will recommend like a website, just because it's yours, and at any moment, you know, these platforms can shut down, but you still have your website. Starting off and you have no money, let's say it's kind of tight for you, pick a social media platform. I have a website, and I know y'all probably tired of me talking about, you've been working on your website for the last year, and I have, okay? And hey, so what? It's going to get done. I guarantee you it's going to get done. Okay, but yep, pick a website. It don't have to be all extravagant. Just, it could be a 1-page website that has all your information, and make sure it's like a book now, or click to get this service, or click to join this masterclass, however you want it set up, but have something where people can come to and click on. Okay, that's how you're going to build your online space. What I want you to do today is pick a platform that works for you. Okay, set it up, set your profile up, set the information up for you. Okay, and make it clear on what you do and what you offer. Boom, that is it. Don't go over the top. Don't be extra. Just do those basics just to get started and get yourself in the door. Small wins here, okay? We don't want to derail. We don't want to overwhelm ourselves with colors and fonts and all this stuff. We don't want to do that. We just want to get started, okay? We can do that stuff later on. But to get started, pick a platform that works for you and that you're comfortable with. Set your profile up, and then let them know exactly what it is you're offering and what you do. The next thing, you want to create content that is teaching the people that is watching you. You want your content to be able to be shareable, evergreen, meaning it's never going to die out, or whatever you're talking about, it's going to make sense years and years and years to come. It's going to be good information years and years and years to come, because that's just what it is, okay? And you want to be able to build trust with your people, past, present, and future clients. You want to build that trust. You want to think of it as a short tutorial that you're doing, but you're teaching them. Did you know this? One great tip to take, you know, things like that. You want to be able to do that. Choose what feels fun to you and doable for you, okay? Whatever you choose, make sure it's fun to you and doable, but valuable, and it teaches your audience. That is really key, because if you don't, people are going to go to sleep on you and they're going to disappear. That's just kind of how that goes. So again, you want to create content that teaches, because we are teachers. I mean, we are educators on the skin. That's what we got our degree for, right? This is still a process for us estheticians. We still got to educate people. People know kind of now, I feel like, over the years of what esthetician is, but not really. You know, like even it's virtual, tapping into being a virtual esthetician, it's not talked about, I guarantee you. Not as much as it should be. All I know is the schools need to have virtual esthetician as an alternative add-on or bonus. You heard it here first, okay? Let's move on. Your goal is to show your potential clients that you know your stuff, okay? And that your stuff can literally help them solve their problem. What I want you to do, jot down 3 content ideas that you could film this week. It does not have to be very long. It could be a 60-second, 90-second, 2 to 3 5-minute video, but it needs to be 3. Come up with 3 content ideas that you can film this week, okay? Keep it simple, keep it straightforward. Make sure it is helping your audience, a potential customer, client, okay? Make sure you're teaching them something, giving them value. Keep it straight to the point, okay? Your audience is going to love this. If you can do that and keep your personality in it, you're going to win every time. Every time you're going to win. But make sure it's evergreen, and evergreen is content that is not going to get old. It's going to stand for years and years and years to come. My favorite one is diversify your income. I love this because there's so many ways for us as virtual estheticians to diversify our income, you guys. I mean, it can be many things: digital guides, printables, master classes, pre-recorded classes. I mean, the list goes on for us, you guys. One thing I want you to know is you can earn through virtual consultations, you can earn through skincare guides, you can earn through digital products, you can earn through affiliate marketing. I mean, there is so many ways you can earn income and diversify your income as a virtual esthetician. It's endless for us. It's endless, and I'm glad I'm here to share with you guys and talk about it. And don't feel like you have to do everything at once. Start with one and expand. I know when I was getting started on YouTube, I literally started with Amazon Associates links, and then I started making my own digital products. And then every time, you know, I'm putting myself out there. I'm creating more products, and it get hectic. I'm right now working full time right now. So I'm literally juggling from doing a skincare challenge, working a full-time job, filming this video for you guys. It's a lot being a mom. It's a lot, but we must do it. We must do it because if you're committed and you're dedicated and you're passionate and this is something that you truly, truly want to do, you're going to do it. No buts, whats, or ends of buts about it, right? So what I want you to do now is create one way for you to earn extra income. That can be creating a digital guide. That can be doing a one-on-one consultation with someone. Just create one thing that you can offer that you feel like is doable for you and that you're comfortable on delivering. And I can't stress that enough. You have to be comfortable on delivering. I feel like if you're comfortable on delivering, you're going to do well. Create one thing that you're comfortable on doing for this month, okay, that you can earn money, and emphasize on it. Don't stress on it. Get on Canva, make you a quick digital product that you can sell. Make sure it's valuable. Make sure it's teaching your audience, and sell it on Gumroad. Sell it on Gumroad, sell it on Etsy, sell it on your own website. But do that so you can start diversifying your income. Next, connect and engage. This is really important, you guys. You want to be able to connect and engage with your audience. Definitely, if you're putting out content and they're liking your stuff, they're sharing your stuff, they're commenting your stuff, you want to respond to the comments, okay? Do not respond to the comments. When you respond to the comments, it shows the algorithm on whatever platform you're on that your potential customers, your followers are engaged with you. Your audience is engaged with you. So make sure you're answering questions, you're following up, you're commenting, you're responding, you're doing your due diligence as an educator, as a coach that you are. So do that. Connecting and engagement is just going to grow you as years go on. Remember, if you show up, clients will trust you. They will keep showing up for you because they support you. They love what you do. They love what you're offering. So do that. Engagement isn't about fancy strategies, okay? It's not about that. It's just about being real and showing up on what it is you're trying to deliver to your audience and teach your audience. Doing that, they're going to respect you so much more. So what you can do now, if you haven't, you can set a timer for 10 10 minutes and just go and look at everybody who commented, respond to comments, heart, like, emphasize, maybe do a highlight and say thank you for doing this like I did. Like somebody bought when I started the skincare challenge, somebody bought my skincare tracker guide. That's a free guide, you guys. I didn't ask for that to be bought. That was something free, but they did it from the kindness of their heart. They just wanted to, and then on top of that, they even left a tip. They didn't have to do that. It was a free guide. But that's what I'm saying. Do your due diligence. Keep your personality in there. Be authentic, because people choose real over anything. I don't care. Don't let the social media streets lie to you. People like the real. Let's move on. Answer comments, reply to messages, and then watch your connections grow, because it will grow. And that is it, you guys. These steps may be small, but they are powerful. Do know that every little bit counts. Pick a couple and get started. Whatever step for you, start with them. If you can't do all the steps, do 2, do 3, okay? But just do it. Get started. This is ways that you can win and make money as a virtual esthetician. You just got to get yourself out there and do it. And remember, learn, earn, and repeat. And if you like today's video, please be sure to subscribe and hit that thumbs up button and turn on the notification bell for other great videos as such. Please leave a comment down below if you have questions, or just to say, hey, I like this video. Keep doing you. I love it all, you guys. And I love you guys' feedback as always. You guys leave great feedback. You give me suggestions, you give me tips, and it's vice versa. We are forever learning here. Definitely on this channel. I don't know it all, but I just share what I do know. I share my experience and I share with you guys, because what I know, you may not know, and vice versa. So I love the comments that you guys leave down below, and I love making these type of videos for you guys. Until next time, I'll catch you guys back with another one. Peace.